everyone. Good evening, everyone. Quickly settle down yourself. Settle down yourself fast. Am I audible? Is the screen visible? Do let me know in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us. We shall just wait for 2 more minutes. Till then, please quickly settle down yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Settle down yourself. Turn on your videos, dear. Turn on your videos. Use Bluetooth, earphones, headphones, whatever device you have at your home. We shall wait for 2 more minutes. Good evening, everyone. Okay, shall we start? Why so less student today in the class? So less. They will join after half of the class is over. Okay, tell me one thing, that the last class of mathematics we were doing cube roots and we finished it, right? As far as I remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So today also we have to carry the same concept, but with a different touch. Because I told you that as soon as we will finish that square roots and cube roots, we will start what? We shall start the chapter surds or indices. You also call it as exponents. Okay, it's no, in some books it's written surds and indices. In some books it's written exponents, power and exponents. Somewhat brother of cubes and squares. Okay, so first today we will see what do you mean by power and exponents, surds and indices, same thing, and how do you solve the questions. The weightage of this chapter is a bit less. That means many questions you will not see from this particular chapter, which is exponent. But still, because it is the part of syllabus, we have to cover it. Yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, can you tell a question about, can you explain a question about cube root another time?
Pardon, I couldn't get you. You have any doubts in the question of cube roots?
Yes, ma'am. Can you explain a cube root question again?
Okay, you want me to explain cube roots again? And what about you, Utkarsh? Why did you raise your hand?
Man, the voice is coming like everybody's because of the means audio is coming like that something.
So the audio is coming like so Utkarsh, exit and rejoin. Okay. If the voice is not clear to you, Utkarsh, exit and rejoin there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So Ajish, tell me something. Do you have problem in any particular question, Ajish? If you have
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Ajish, please let me complete better. So, if you have any doubts in any particular question, if any particular question, can you please send me that question in the asked out there? So I shall explain you there.
Yes, ma'am. But I was going on asked out, but it was telling that you don't have you cannot write there.
No, beta. See, Ajish, just like you submit the assignment in your class, right? You submit the assignment, right? In the same way, same process, go to your asked out batch, and there, just as you submit your assignment, In the same way, there is a written maths doubt session, like today is 5th, 6th, not 6th. So there would be the assignment for maths doubt session, that is 6th of July. Same way, just as you upload your assignment, in the same way, just click the picture of your doubt and send it in apps out. Okay, Jish? Okay, anyone else, Peter? Those who have doubt in cube roots? Anyone else? Any question related with cube roots? And yes, Melanie. Yes, Melanie. Turn on your mic, Peter.
Ma'am, I was absent in the class.
Pardon, I couldn't get you there. Melanie, please.
I was absent in the class.
Beta, if you are absent in the class, then please watch the recording once. When we will revise this chapter, for sure you will get to study this again, this particular topic. And if you have any doubts in any particular question, Beta, so you can send me that to me, ask them. Okay, Melanie? Melanie, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Tejas, you have also raised your hand here. Tejas.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
This is
Ma'am,
our madam.
pardon, ma'am, I couldn't get you properly.
Madam, this is our first class, madam.
Okay.
This is our
So,
first class, and we have joined right now, madam. Your good name, madam.
Sneha.
Okay, madam. Madam, we have the problem related to the staff of your institute, madam. They are
Ma'am, just
they are using.
I couldn't. Just give me a second, ma'am. I couldn't hear you properly. Let me fix my earbuds. Just give me a second.
Okay, okay, madam. No issue, please.
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Madam, the staff member Neha Rathod of your management is sending abusive messages for us.
Ma'am, I would really appreciate if you talk to the management for this because I had no idea related with the management, ma'am, and with the teaching department, and I have no idea with the management, ma'am.
Ma'am, if possible, madam, the management number also we don't have, the query detail number only we have. I read the query, ma'am, I raised only the days we have joined these 2 days it has become. In within the 2 days, they are using such type of abusive manners means. Please, can you show from your end that where we are wrong and why so much of anger you people got on us? Why, madam, like
Ma'am,
this?
uh, let me do one thing. So I would ask the management to talk to you because I'm not aware about the problem or the situation.
Sorry, you are nowhere related to this. I am sharing our problem with you because we are listening to your this one what classes, and my son is your student. Even you need to know what we are suffering, right?
Okay, ma'am, I got your point because, but I think if you have any issue with the management, ma'am, I cannot help you from my side. The only thing I can do is connect to you your problem to the management, ma'am. I'm just a link between that, but I have no power in my hand to do something.
Okay, ma'am, please inform them, madam. If their behavior is like this with us, we are not going to sustain it, madam. We will not bear it. If we are doing, if we will abuse you, will you take it?
Ma'am, do you have some problem with the classes?
No, madam. Neha Rathor, madam of your management, she has sent a very abusive messages for our number without any reason, without any concern. Within the 2 days of our joining, she has sent the messages for our number, and we didn't even ask her anything, even though she has misbehaved with us. This is the reason we are asking why like this. What we have did for you.
Ma'am, I think there might be some misunderstanding because over the call there is lot of misunderstanding, especially in the messages, ma'am. Because in the messages you cannot understand the tone and the feeling of someone.
Madam, once I will share you my messages also. I have all the messages and I have all the recordings of your institute. She is the one only she has misbehaved within the 2 days of our joining. We had joined on July 2nd, and on yesterday, Morning, since morning, she is texting hundreds of messages. She has texted us very abusive manner.
So I'm really sorry for that, ma'am, if you are going through such a trauma. But I will
I
ask
request,
the management to see it and fix it, ma'am. Okay? Please be
I,
patient. I would ask the management to fix it.
yes, madam. I request you people to behave as educated only. If not, you can't means please refund me. That's it, madam. We are
Okay,
not here to take your abusive manners of what behavior you are doing for others. We don't know. We are not going to take this.
okay,
And
got
I
it.
am
Okay,
not
ma'am.
going to sit quiet also, madam. I am not going to sit quiet. I am going to raise this issue. I will not sit quiet. Will you please show me what we have did the mistake? We did the mistake of only joining to your institute within the 2 days of our joining. You can check. We didn't even message her or call her why she has did like this. Or it's
Uh,
refundable.
ma'am,
I need
I
a
think for
madam.
ma'am, I could not help you with this. I think for this, you should connect with the management, ma'am. I have no part related to this. My only work is to teach and take the doubts of the students.
Madam, if you are not linked with this, I am just making the awareness for you, madam. Nothing
Okay,
else, madam.
I was not aware about the situation, ma'am. For sure, I would take this to the management. I would
Yes.
inform them for the same. But I would really request you to be a bit patient. And
Okay.
there may be some misunderstanding, even from your side or our side. I'm not aware about it, but that misunderstanding should be cleared, ma'am. Okay.
Madam, if misunderstanding is from my end, I will ask sorry right now. If the misunderstanding is from your end or you are using abusive manners, means I am not going to take it. And I am having all the what she has sent the messages and the recordings. I am having everything. Where we
Okay,
have
ma'am,
misbehaved.
we got it. Got it, ma'am. But if you have any issues related with the management or my institute, I'm really sorry on their behalf because I'm not aware about the situation, ma'am. I don't know anything. Actually, I was on leave for 2 days, so I just came back. So
Okay.
I would take this issue to the management, ma'am. I would inform them and please connect with them for the further issues.
Okay, ma'am. Please convey them the message we have did like this. We have told you. We have told you everything. Convey
Okay,
the
okay,
message.
for sure, ma'am. I shall convey this message to them. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, anyone else? Any problem related with the cube and cube roots? No one? Okay. So, if no one beta, so today we shall start a very new topic. Okay.
Excuse
Not
me,
a new
ma'am.
topic.
Excuse
Yes,
me, ma'am.
yes, go ahead.
Bhavik had started just today only. So it's first class. So he
Okay,
don't
okay.
know about the previous topics.
Okay, no issues, ma'am. He would learn it. Okay. But I would request you, Bhavik, that whatever classes has been taken, the topics which has already been taught, please go through the recordings once. We shall do all the topics again during the revision classes, okay, the crash course. But still, I would request you to go through all the topics so that it is easy for you to manage the class. And I would try from my end as well to see and that you don't get any problem during the class. Okay, Bhavik, do let me know if you face any problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, everyone. So let's start the class here. And today we shall start the same concept but with a different touch. And that particular topic is known as what? Exponents. Okay. Somewhere exponents, power and exponents, or you can say surds and indices. Okay. Surds or indices, exponents and power. This is the name of the chapter. I think the name of the chapter in your book is exponents. Yes. Exponents.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what was the word after you wrote exponent?
Surds, surds and indices, INDICES. But in your book, the chapter name is exponents. Okay, that's the publication book. Chapter name is exponents, and it is just like square and cubes. Okay, just like that. But in this particular topic, you have to learn certain formulas. You will be learning certain formulas. Okay, so let's see what you have to do. So if I talk about exponent, this can also be termed as part. Okay? This will also be termed as part. And whatever you write, suppose we were writing 2 ki power 3, that is 2 ka cube, right? We were writing that 2 ki power 3, 2 ka cube, how to calculate. So in that case, beta, this 2 is considered as base, and this 3 is considered to be the exponent or part. Okay, exponent and part. And the use is same, like if it's 2 ki power 3, so you will write 2 into 2 into 2, right? You will write 2 into 2 into 2. Suppose it's take any other number, like if it is 5 ki power 5, if it is 5 ki power 5 or 5 ki power 4, let's say 5 ki power 4. So 5 ki power 4 means what? 5 is the base. This 5 is the base, and this 4 is what? Exponent. This 4 is exponent. And if we solve this particular thing, so I shall write it as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Because it is 5 to power 4, that means this 5 shall be multiplied by itself 4 times. And if we further calculate it, so 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. And 125 into 5 is 625. Right? So this is the basic concept of what? Of exponent. That the number is considered to be the base, and the number which is written at the top of the number, that is termed to be the, right? Now, yes, Ajish.
Ma'am, you are glitching sometimes.
Pardon, beta.
Ma'am, you are glitching sometimes.
Okay, just give me a second. If I'm glitching, just give me a second.
Ma'am, your screen is little bit glitchy.
Okay. Do one thing, beta. If it's glitching, do exit and rejoin quickly. Exit and rejoin quickly, beta.
Ma'am, mine's
Exit and rejoin, everyone, please. If it's glitching, exit and rejoin and check if it's good now. Ajish, is it good now?
our screen is black.
My screen is black. Okay, tell me in the chat box for how many of you the screen is black. Let me see. Ajish and Nandini. Okay, give me one more second, dear. Give me one more second, beta. One more second. Tell me, is it good now?
A little bit.
No, ma'am, it's not good. Not enough good, like it's a little bit blurry.
It's a little bit blurry. Okay, wait.
And the whole screen went black.
Whole screen went black. Just give me a second.
It is
Just
good.
give me a second. Screen is good? Okay, for whom the screen is black, beta, Please exit and rejoin. For whom the screen is black, exit and rejoin, beta.
Ma'am, it is fine.
It's fine now? Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Okay, dear. So what were we doing? We were learning that exponent. So we learned about what? Base and power. Now there are certain formulas that you have to learn. First, I shall write all the formulas and then one by one I shall explain to you all the formulas. Okay?
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन पिन नहीं है.
Bhavik, can't you see me?
Ma'am, your screen is not pinned.
Screen is not good. Okay.
The screen is good.
I'm not glitching.
Bhavik, if the screen is not pinned better, so do a thing. There is Shiromani Institute written, right? So click on that. Click on that. As soon as you click on that, you will see the option to pin.
Yes, ma'am, pin कर दिया.
Okay, very good, Bhavik. Very good, dear. See, first I shall make you write all the formulas and then one by one I shall explain it to you. Okay? I would really appreciate, please note down the formulas and then I shall explain it to you one by one. First, note it down and then one by one I shall explain this to you. First, note this down, beta. Take the screenshot, note this down. And then one by one, I shall explain you all the formulas. Giving you 2 minutes. Please note this down there. Then one by one, I shall explain this to you. Very good, Nandini. I shall just wait for 2 minutes so that all of you note this down or at least take the screenshot. Waiting for 2 minutes. 1 more minute to go. One more minute to go.
N or M?
It's M and N both. But if it's written M and M, it's good. Wherever it is written M and N, that is also good. All the formulas are correct, beta. I hope you must have written it, beta, right? Let's move ahead. Okay, let's move ahead one by one. We shall understand all the formulas. Okay, so first I shall understand a की power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, a की power 0 is equal to 1. So a is the base, right? A is the base, 0 is the exponent or part. So any number, whether positive, whether negative, whether 0, whether 100, doesn't matter. If it has power as 0, the value is always 1. That means if I say 5 ki power 0, so 5 ki power 0 is what? 1. Whatever I say, if I say 1000 ki power 0, 1000 ki power 0 is what? Power is 0. The answer is 1. Value of 5 ki power 0 is 1. Value of 1000 ki power 0 is 1. If I say 15 upon 17 ki power 0, even if it is in fraction, 15 upon 17 to the power 0, then also value is 1. So, what we learn? We learn that whatever is the base, whether it is the whole number, whether it is the fractional number, if the power is 0, the value is always 1. The value is always 1. Now, where to apply this? How shall we apply this in examination if the question comes? Weightage is a bit less. That means not many questions come from this chapter, but it is a part of your syllabus. So suppose I have one question like, yes, Tejas? Yes, dear?
I have seen the last year papers, and in that the questions were like the like tens power 99, like these were questions, and
Oh,
2 to 3.
yes, beta. That is another thing. I shall explain you that as well. Okay, beta. All
Okay,
the
ma'am.
previous year questions, you will be doing it, beta. Don't worry. Okay, so see, what I have is, suppose if I have 2 ki power 0 plus 5 ki power 0 plus 7 ki power 0. And you are asked to find the answer. What's the answer for this? So if 2 ki power is 0, 5 ki power is 0, 7 ki power is 0, that means 2 ki power 0 ki value is 1. 5 ki power 0 ki value is also 1. And 7 ki power 0 ki value is also 1. 2 ki power 0, 1. 5 ki power 0, 1. 7 ki power 0 also 1. Now you shall just add all of them. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? 3. Answer. Sometimes, please don't note this down, beta. Note, I'll give you time. I'll give you time to take the screenshot and note it. Please understand all the concept first. Sometimes what happens, suppose you will feel the question is very tricky, like it will be written like this: 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5, here power 2, here power 3, minus 1 by 6, bracket close, power 0. Doesn't matter what will be the answer inside. Doesn't matter what will be the answer inside. If after the bracket we have 0, whatever is the answer, why to solve it? I know the power is 0, answer is 1 without solving. Without solving. So always you remember that whenever you see these kind of questions, power 0, the answer should be 1. Okay? Yes, Satish?
And traditional method is also like this only.
Pardon, I could not hear you properly, beta.
Ma'am, is this the traditional method?
This is the only method, beta, not the traditional one, the only method, because Only using the formulas we can do it quickly. Yes, Tejas, very good. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ki power 0 is also 1. Yes. And question comes like this. Like Tejas has said that, man, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 ki power 0. Why to go for addition? Why shall we add? If it is power 0 without adding, we can say the answer is 1. Why? Because anything to the power 0 is always 1. So is this first formula clear, beta? Any doubts in this? Anyone do raise your hand? Okay, no? If no, then I'm giving you 1 minute. Please take the screenshot or note this down. 1 minute only.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Please take the screenshot or note this down. 1 minute.
Ma'am, if it's not power of 0 means we have to do it in a proper way, right?
No, beta. If there is not 0, then there would be some kind of expressions, right? Exponents. So I would tell you right now how to do it. This is just the first one, beta. We have 6 more to go. 30 seconds more. Okay, beta. Hope you must have done this, dear. Let's move to the next formula, dear. Okay. The next formula expresses what if the exponent is in negative. What if the exponent is in negative? Utkarsh, why do you have a phone in your hand? You are having something in your hand. Don't lie. उत्कर्ष जी, अरे अच्छा, इतना बड़ा फोन इतना छोटा हो गया.
मैम मेरे आसपास में कोई फोन नहीं है, देख लीजिए.
Okay, no issues, beta. I shall watch the recordings and check that during that 33 minutes, what did you have in your phone? I'll check afterwards, not during the class. Okay? Beta, might be possible. Might be possible, Utkarsh. Might be possible. Nazaro ka dhoka, you understand? Okay, beta. No issues. I was just saying that. Please pay attention. Okay? So, what if the power is in negative? Suppose if I say to you that 2 की power -3. Okay, 2 की power -3. Always to remember, dear, if the exponent is in negative. Ashish, please don't write first. Understand the concept, everyone, beta, and then I shall give you time to note it down. If the exponent is in negative, only one thing you have to do is reciprocal. Reciprocal, we all know, ulta, right? And talking about the reciprocal, I don't have any digit in the denominator of 2. Whenever there is no digit in the denominator of 2, I shall just take 1 in the denominator. I shall just take 1 in the denominator, and then in order to solve it, just reciprocal. So 2 upon 1, when you make the reciprocal, it becomes 1 upon 2. And this part which is in negative, this becomes positive. So it will become 1 by 2 to power 3. And then you can solve it. It's power 3, right? So 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, right? This is how we do it, the traditional way. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Okay? Any doubts in this? Do let me know. Raise your hand. नहीं सर अभी 3 वो चल नहीं रहा था ना ग्लिच हो रहा था बहुत सा
Ma'am,
just a second Ajish, just a
yes,
yes Ajish, yes beta.
ma'am आज क्वेश्चन डेसिमल में भी आएगा.
Not most probably not this exponent doesn't come in decimals, but in yes, in fraction you can see it. Like for example, you can see 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2. So if you have 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2, what you will do? 4 upon 5 is there. First you will do the reciprocal of this. So 4 upon 5 will become what? 5 upon 4. 4 upon 5 will become 5 upon 4. And then this negative part will become the positive part. As soon as you make it reciprocal, negative part becomes the positive part. And 5 by 4 की power 2 means what? 5 into 5 and 4 into 4. I am writing this here to make you understand. In examination, you need not do all these steps. Okay? You have to do it in your mind. You can do it in your mind. Like 5 into 5 is 25. 4 into 4 is how much? 16. Right? Got it? Yes, Utkarsh, beta, you have raised your hand.
Ma'am, what if the questions comes 1 by 2 with the power of minus 10?
If it's 1 by 2 to the power minus 10. Minus 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it's 1 by 2 to the power, please, after asking about turn off your mic beta. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 10. So 1 by 2 is what? 2 by 1 to the power 10. Now you can multiply this to 10 times. Got it? Utkarsh, 2 to the power 10. Go for it.
Okay, ma'am. Because it has 1 below it now, and in fraction 1 doesn't mean anything. That's what.
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. So this 1, even 1 is multiplied 10 times, the answer is 1. So you need not write 1 in the denominator, so it will become 2 to the power 10. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Then we have next formula. Please note this down 30 seconds. Today we shall learn all the formulas and tomorrow we shall see what type of question comes in the examination and what type of questions do we have in book.
the ma'am.
Oh, I shall just wait for 20 seconds more. Hope you must have done better. Next formula. Here we go. Take the screenshot quickly. Here we go. So what was the third formula? I just forgot the sequence. Let me see. Okay. Yes. A to the power m to the power n, right? A to the power m to the power n. That is a to the power n into n. Today we will learn only the formulas, and then tomorrow we shall see to the questions. Okay. Today we shall learn the application of formulas. So a to the power m to the power n. That means in one particular base you shall have two powers. In one particular base you shall have two powers. For example, if I tell you, suppose 4 की power 2 and उसकी भी power 2. 4 की power 2 and उसकी भी power 2. So what does this mean? This means that 4 की power 2 into 2. 4 की power 2 into 2. That is 4 की power 2 2s are 4. Anything. Suppose if I say 7 की power 3, उसकी power -1. If I say 7 की power 3 and उसकी power -1. So first thing what you will do? 7 की power 3 into -1, right? So it will become what? 7 की power -3. 7 की power -3. And then you should apply that one formula that we did just before this, like a to the power -7. But even if the power is positive or the power is negative, if one base has more than one power, you shall multiply. Yes, Rajesh?
Ma'am, same 7 की power 3 minus 3 है तो
Then also the same thing, beta. If it is 7 की power 3 and -3, suppose if it's 7 की power 3 and उसकी भी power -3, so 3 into -3 you will do. 3 3s are 9, right? 3 3s are 9, so you take -9 here. Got it, Rajesh? Okay. Even if you have powers like this, 2 की power 2, उसकी भी power 2, उसकी भी power 3, more than one power. Even it's not necessary that you will have only 2 power. What if more than 2 power is there? Always you remember whatever is the power. How many times I don't know. But if it's like this, power की power, then what you have to do? Multiply all the powers. Multiply all the powers. So it will become what? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That is 2 की power 12. Any doubts in this? Anyone?
no man.
No?
Second वाला समझा दो प्लीज वापस.
This one? Okay, see. If it is beta 7 की power 3 to the power -3, that means if you have power in both positive and negative, doesn't matter. In that case also you have to multiply. So what you will do? You will multiply 3 and 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. And because you have this negative exponent, so plus minus is minus. So I will write -9. Okay, Bhave?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. You can turn off your mic, beta. After answering your doubt, you can turn off your mic.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I joined super late, ma'am. I didn't understand it, ma'am.
You joined super late, Yashashwini. That's why you couldn't understand. This is your problem always. All the time I see Yashashwini in the school dress. And you were late from the class, Yashashwini. Okay, no issues, Yashashwini.
But there was a problem to join the class, ma'am.
Join with you. Everyone was there in the class, Yashashwini. Maybe some internet issue, I don't know. Okay, beta. Okay, Yashashwini, not an issue, dear. Do one thing, as I always say, please watch the recording once. And today we were doing exponents. That is the brother of squares and cubes. Okay. So we were doing exponents, and we have 7 formulas in that. We were learning today only the application of formulas, that how to use the formulas. Today the class was related to that. Tomorrow we shall learn how to use that formulas in the questions. What type of questions comes in the examination? We have already learned 3 applications, Yashashwini. So 4 more to go. You can learn that. Okay, Yashashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. And the remaining part, please do watch the recordings. And then tomorrow in the class, the next class, I shall explain you again. Yes, Ajish?
Okay.
Ma'am, actually, in Saturday, when I checked the timetable, uh, it was showing all, but actually, the class was held that Saturday.
The I'm not sure about it, but actually I was on leave for 2 days, so I'm not sure about the Saturday one. Okay, I'm not sure about it.
Yes, ma'am, that day was English class.
Yes,
I watched the recording.
so I'm not very sure about it, beta, because I was on leave. Yes, Mognish, beta, you have raised your hand. Mognish, dear.
Quickly rose and I didn't saw it raised.
Sorry, Mognish.
Ma'am, that I forgotten raised it.
When you say okay. Okay, beta. Okay, this was the third formula. We shall move to the fourth one, beta. Okay, please quickly note down. We shall move to the fourth one. And the fourth one is a to the power n into
Super fast.
a to the power n. That is a to the power n plus. Now, what does this mean?
Ma'am, I will take a photo. Can you send it back once?
Please take the screenshot quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, see. So we have one more formula, that is a to the power n into a to the power n is equal to a to the power n plus n, right? So always you remember, if the base is same, base should be same, and the exponents are different. Base is same, exponents are different, then what you have to do, you have to take the base as common and you have to add the exponent. For example, if I tell you, 2 की power 3 into 2 की power 2, okay, 2 की power 3 into 2 की power 2. So here the base is same, 2 and 2, and the exponents are different. This is 3 and this is 2. Exponents are different. Base is same. So what you will do? You will take the base as common, that is 2, and then this 3 and 2, it shall be added. So 2 की power 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 की power 3 plus 2 is 5. If, for example, it's 3 की power 4 into 3 की power, suppose minus, might be possible that it is in minus, right? So what you will do in that case, base is same, exponents are different, base is same, 3 की power 4 plus, and then the next part is what? Minus 3. This is 4 and this is minus 3. So you will write minus 3 here. Minus 3. You know that plus minus is minus. Two signs cannot exist together. two signs doesn't exist together. We have learned plus minus is minus. So I will do 4 minus 3. 3 की power 1. 4 minus 3, 3 की power is 1. Okay, beta? Any doubts in this? Do let me know. Raise your hand here. Any doubts in this application? Yes, Ajish?
Means,
Yes, Ajish, please do tell.
ma'am, if the numbers are same, we have to go to another formula, right?
Pardon, I could not get you. Clear?
Ma'am, if the formulas means the exponents are same, means we have to take the formula for that, right?
Okay, yes. So if the exponents are same, we have another formula for that. But this particular formula, if the bases are same and exponents are different, okay?
Ma'am, actually, we are completing the first.
Okay, beta. Take the screenshot, everyone. Waiting for 30 seconds. Take the screenshot.
Mama, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta. Bhavik.
Ma'am, that well, in second formula, in second star, there is 4. उसके साथ minus 3. Then we have to only minus the 4. The right 4 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 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 exponent 1.
Beta, here we have 4 plus minus 3, right? 4 plus minus 3. Plus minus means what? Two signs cannot exist together. So if you have plus minus together, it merge and this plus minus merge to form minus. Okay, dear? Bhavik?
Okay, ma'am.
So that's why plus minus becomes minus. 4 minus 3 is 1.
I'm fine.
Okay, dear? Yes, Bhavik?
But ma'am,
Yes, beta. Please do ask quickly. Done?
but ma'am, you said that a plus m into a n equals to m plus n. So it should be plus now. Why it is minus?
It is plus only, beta. 4 plus 3, right? 3, right? But that 3 is negative. This 3 is negative. So you will write 4 plus minus 3. 4 plus minus 3. Because that 3 is negative in itself. So plus and minus 3 is minus. 4 minus 3, 1. You will understand this more properly, dear, when you go through the questions. Okay. Let's move to the next formula. That is.
Okay, ma'am. So that means you're saying that if the number is in negative, then only it will be minus, and if it is in positive, then it will be added.
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. But plus minus merge to form the minus sign. Okay.
That's why we minus in the negative numbers.
Yes, dear. Yes. So a to the power m divided a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, right? A to the power m minus n. Very simple. Very simple. What? If you have 5 to power 3 divided 5 to power 2. So what you will do? Base is same. Base is same. Exponents different. Base is same. Exponent different. So what you will do? 5 to power 3 minus 2. 5 to power 3 minus 2. 5 to power 1. 5 to power 1. And if I say 5 to power 2 divided 5 to power 3. 5 to power 2 divided 5 to power 3. So in this case also you will subtract. We will subtract what? 2 minus 3. You will subtract 2 minus 3. Right? So 2 minus 3 will be what? Minus 1. Because 3 minus 2 is 1 and 3 is bigger 1. So minus 1. So always to remember that whenever you have these type of question, division 1, the exponent can be the positive as well as the exponent can be the negative also. Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, what if the question, the first question is okay, but what if the options come like 5, 10, 15 and 20? Which option will we choose?
5, 10, 15 and 20 means. Okay, Utkarsh, do one thing. When we apply this question, formula in the questions now, that time you can raise the counter question, okay? Because right now I'm just explaining the uses of it, application of it. So if you're asking what if the options are like this, so if you're talking about the options better, that I could clear more when I have questions along with the options. Okay, Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhavan.
Ma'am, how can we find out that m is equals to 2 and n is 3? How can we find out this?
Oh, beta, that is just a random question. I'm taking this randomly, like n to power 3. I'm taking this randomly. In the examination, it can be 5, 7, 1, 2, anything. Okay, Bhavan?
That means exam may, there will be no m and n, there will be 5 or 2, anything like this.
Yes. This is just the formula, beta. This is just the formula. In examination, we will get questions like this. And today you are just learning about the application. Next class, we shall learn about the questions, type of questions. Okay, Bhavan?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ajesh. Oh, Ajesh not there in the class. Okay. What if you have 5 to power 3 divided 5 to power minus 4? Possibility that the exponent is what? Exponent is a negative. Possibility. In such case, beta, same concept you will apply. 5 to the power 3 and 3 and minus 4 I have. So 3 minus 4. This minus sign is because the rule says it that m minus n. And this minus sign is because 4 is negative. Okay. We have two minus signs here, right? One minus sign is because of the formula. Another minus sign is because the exponent is negative in itself. Exponent is negative in itself. So 5 to the power 3 minus minus plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Got it? Yes, Utkarsh? You have raised your hand? Okay, lower down. Anything else, beta? Any doubts in this? Do let me know. Anyone? Raise your hand. No? If no, then quickly take the screenshot here. Yes, Nandini? Beta, you have any doubts? Tejas,
Ma'am, I didn't understand the last one.
last one. The last one is easy, like 5k power 3 divided 5k power minus 4, right? So one part is in what? One part is your positive. Another part is what? Another part is negative. So what you have to do is, what you have to do is, you will apply the same formula, that is n minus n, that is 3 minus 4. But this 4 is already negative, so you will not remove that negative sign from here. This 4. You will write 3 minus, and then because this 4 is already negative, you shall write minus 4. And I know that minus minus merge to form what? Plus. Minus minus is plus. So this minus and minus, I will make it together one sign and it will become plus. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Got it, Ajish? Okay, beta. So everyone, that's it for today. Please note this down. Okay? Please note this down. And we shall end it till here. We shall meet tomorrow in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
beta. Welcome, dear.